So I decided I want steering brakes. I ordered some cheap handles online and I'll try to make the rest myself. We'll see how it goes. So, I ordered two of this. So we'll see how it goes. So this is where I want to have them. One on each side here. I want to keep the heating and everything. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so this is what I ended up with. My home built turn brake. Welded on a piece here that I will beef it up a bit more. And then this is the handles that I bought. This piece and that piece I made. So you can see there's where the cables will go. And yeah, I think this will work.